Hello and welcome to another episode with Travelling Oz Our Way. If you've been following us on our journey, you'll know we've had 4 nights at Uluru and now we're heading off to Kings Canyon. We're still with our friends Catherine and David, and it's just fabulous travelling with friends and we're having so much fun. Our trip today will take about 3.5 to 4 hours, where first stop is going to be at Curtin Springs to catch up with some friends.
Morning everyone.
Hey! So we're on the road again.
Yeah.
We've left Uluru.
Or
Yulara, yeah. And we actually just stopped to catch up with some friends of mine who are from the bike club, the Hog Boys. They're off up to Darwin, so we had a bit of a night out with them last night. It was really great to catch up with Des and Linny and Sam and Paul. And caught them also at Curtin Springs. We pulled in and had a coffee, and now we're heading up to Kings Canyon, but that's another story. But Uluru, Catachita, great pub, wasn't it?
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
We were here about 9 months ago. Totally different experience. You wouldn't believe it. Like it just, like chalk and cheese.
It was. There was no one here when we were here last time, and of course it was warm. It was very warm last time. This time,
we're in the peak season.
Clear skies, but a lot of people around.
A lot of people around. We actually stayed in the overflow section at the campgrounds, which was fantastic. We were really pleasantly surprised, I think. We're travelling with our friends, and we were able to set up a nice little, sideways campsite.
We did an awning to awning with Dave and Catherine Baker, and gave us a big area. Had a couple of we had a drive-in movie night, which was good, and got to see all the sights. And this time we did a little bit more walking.
Yeah, that's just we will definitely come again, because it just proved to us that you can come to one place a couple of times and just see it in a totally different, different way.
Totally different experience.
Yeah. Just as fantastic. It's just so awe-inspiring to be out here at the Rock. So
we rode our new bikes. Guess what? 2 flat tyres on the brand new bikes. I got a flat tyre and had to push the bloody mongrel thing back from the Rock back to the cultural centre while everyone else rode. Got Jennifer's bike on the racket back at when we got it back to the campsite, and she's got a flat tyre too.
So a good note to self: there's nothing out here that can repair bikes, so you need to bring everything with you. So
with our new bikes, rookie mistake. I didn't pick up any spare tubes or any patching equipment. I didn't even check the air valve, and it turns out the air valve on these newer bikes is totally different. So we'll pick all that up when we get back to Alice, and I'll wipe the shit off my bottom lip, and we'll move on. So we'll get there today. We're just taking it nice and easy. A lot of traffic on the road. We just went past the world's biggest fifth wheeler. Holy shit, there's some rigs on the road.
Yeah.
Anyway, we'll talk to you a little bit further down the track, guys.
here we are at Kings Canyon, and we've set up on our site. And this afternoon, we're heading up to the lookout to watch the sunset. There's entertainment. You can buy drinks or you can bring your own. And it's such a great atmosphere. We really highly recommend joining in for fun here.
And I'd like to try one of the pale ales, please.
Well, here we are ready to do the rim walk. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and it's at the end of June, so it's still really quite cool. But we know the sun it'll get quite warm as we're going. That's why we've still got our hats and layers on ready to peel off. It's going to take us about 3 hours, maybe a bit longer, just depends on how much time we spend up on the walk. So follow along and see how we go. So here we are, we're on top of the canyon, and just look at those views, they're unbelievable. It's just so breathtaking. The steps at the start of the rim walk, there's about 500 of them, can be pretty intense. So take your time. We did, we stopped, we took some photos, we rested, we chatted, and then we kept going. And then once you get up here, this is what you actually get to explore. So we've finished our walk and we've headed up to the Thirsty Dingo Bar for a coffee and cake. And tonight we're heading back up to the sunset platform. We're getting up there early so we can get a table, and we've got ourselves organised with a cheese platter and our wine and drink, and we're just going to sit back and really enjoy our last night at Kings Canyon and plan our next adventure as we head into Alice Springs. So the travelling time from Kings Canyon into Alice Springs is about 3.5 hours. So we've stopped along the way just to put the drone up, and we're also stopping at Uluru. We've stopped here before, but our friends haven't, and there's an emu farm here, and we thought we'd just, catch some footage. And we're heading on to Stewart's Well because the fuel is a lot cheaper than Uluru. So just a little tip along the way, check your fuel prices. Every cent really counts when you're travelling.